Hello and welcome to RealityFuturesTrading.com and the video of the day for February 12th of 2013. Well, I think it's pretty safe to say that even if you're new to trading, looking at the chart here, you can probably tell that I wasted my day here with the CL313 contract. I'll tell you what, I have no idea why things were moving so slowly. We did have this nice move, though, to the upside during the London session. However, you're going to see here that price is just kind of weaving in and out of the band here on the Eagle Trend Trader. Now, part of my futures trading strategy is I use the Eagle Trend Trader. That is my primary chart for all things trading, and whenever I see price dipping down into the band like this, it generally tells me I'm in a really slow, choppy market. So let's go ahead, let's take another look at a different chart. I'm going to bring in the Falcon Swing Trader, and let's take a look at that, see if we had anything there. Falcon tells us the same thing. As you can see, price is just traversing back and forth across the swing line. Just a very slow, very choppy day. I'll tell you, we had a nice move here during the London session right here that was a long, but by using the swing trader in a market like this, you can definitely see where there are a few more moves. Let's take a look at this trade right here for the 7 o'clock open. As you can see right here, we've got our short entry triangle, and then we've got our short entry hash mark, and if you look down here, our filter dot is red, and this one didn't get knocked out of the park, but definitely good for about 25-30 ticks to the downside right there. No valid trade here. I've got a red swing line, and I've got a red filter. No valid trade here. It's just a green line, green filter. This is just chop right here. This is just chop. This was so painfully slow to watch, it wasn't even funny. And it was right about at this point that I pretty much gave up for the day. I did not take any trades today for the simple fact that I had my price just dipping down into the band here. Well, you know what? Let's go ahead and let's try to end this video on a positive note. And like I've said before, part of my futures trading strategy in regards to how I use diversified trading systems is this. If I'm dealing with a slow market here, sometimes what I'll do is I'll just switch to another market. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at the NQ, that 313 contract, and let's see if that would have given us some more opportunities. Boy, again, I'll tell you what, this is a true definition of slop. Just look at these overnights. Just look at this slop here during the open, and we don't have a valid trade here. We don't have a valid trade here. And even though we get a valid trade and a valid signal right here, you're still going to notice this is just a slow, sloppy, choppy day. For the NQ, definitely would have been a good day to sit on your hands. Let's take a look at the swing trader and see what that chart looks like. All right, again, we can definitely see an advantage to having two different day trading systems, or signal generators, as I like to call them. We do get some entries, but again, just not real big moves. Not real big moves. Very slow, very sloppy day. I have a funny feeling that this may have had something to do with the State of the Union address. You know, I'm not sure if it came out during the day or whether he's going to gab tonight or what, but definitely just a slow-moving, sloppy, choppy day. I've had a lot of requests, people wanting to see some more micro scalper action, and I'll tell you what, perhaps on a day like today, this would have been the ideal chart to use. We've got a nice looking setup right here. It does dip into the micro line, but you see where it tags right here, and we get our signal below the micro line, and down we go. We're good for a couple of points, but again, not a real big move. So what can I say? Pretty slow action day, but tomorrow is coming, and we'll see if we have a better day tomorrow. Well, all right, guys, you take care and have yourselves a good day. If you have any questions about diversified trading systems or any of my futures trading strategies, please feel free to contact me at ray@realityfuturestrading.com. Thanks and have a good day.